How we doing, everyone? Once again, this is Freddy T-Power. Now, this should be a very short video compared to most of my video. This one is just to show you how to use IDM if you're a PLEX user, and it's good for audio and video. Now, even though I have this video in public, this video usually I give to those who I have completed helping in PLEX and they want to know how to use IDM. So let's go straight to it. Everything I show in this video, as always, I will have the link to it and I will have the link to my Facebook. So if you have any questions, just private message me, okay? Let's go straight to it. So I have used this IDM for years. I have tested many other alternatives, and I can tell you nothing works as easy as this. And especially for people who are not tech savvy, you just download it, install it, and literally that's it. There's no settings to mess around with. No settings. It's easy to use. What I do recommend is once you download it, before you install it, I'm not going to close my window because I have another page I want to use here. I'm going to minimize it. But when you're going to install it, make sure you close your browsers first before you install it. Once you install it, then go ahead and open your window. Now, it is, as everyone knows, whoever been in my page, I have never charged or sold anything. I don't take donations. I don't get paid for any of the programs that I show. I'm not even in contact with any of the companies telling them that I'm gonna make a video or whatnot. If I have information and I use it, I like to share it, and that's about it. Um, so you get to use this program for 30 days free, complete, full version for 30 days. That should give you enough time to find out if it's exactly what you need. And try to find alternative, and you'll see what I mean, that there's nothing at all like this one. So after 30 days, you would have to buy it, and you have four options. You got $12 for one PC once a year, $10 for each PC, two PC once a year, 25 for one PC a lifetime, $20 for each PC, two PC a lifetime. I don't understand why anybody would want to continue paying every year because 30 days is good enough to find out if it's exactly what you need. So if after 30 days you want to keep it, why pay once a year? Just do the lifetime and you're done. It is constantly, constantly, constantly being updated. I mean, constantly. Uh, when the browsers are updated or, upgraded, updated into new version, IDM upgrades for that particular browser. So, and if certain websites are changed, they also get updated. So they are constantly being updated. I have never had a problem with it. I can't believe that that no one really, it's not mainstream talked about. I'm telling you, this works perfectly. And once you end up using it, you'll see what I mean. So let's go straight to it. Let's use a public domain so no one complains that I'm recording something that I shouldn't record. Let's just pick Woody Woodpecker. And now, as you can see, it says advertisement here. Once again, I will have the links to everything. Now, I strongly recommend you installing the extensions of the ad blockers. If not, you're going to see advertisement, and depending on the site that you go, I'm pretty sure many of you have seen it, there's a lot of fake play here or click here buttons. Well, the ad blockers will actually clean the page and you won't see the fake play button. You will only see the one you're supposed to click onto. So definitely use your ad blockers. Now, do not use Chrome. It uses too much memory, RAM. I'm pretty sure if you tech savvy, you've read about it and you know that Chrome uses too much RAM. The less RAM we can use when we're being online, the smoother um, it would go for you when you're streaming. So strongly recommend the new Firefox that came out less than a year. It uses less RAM. I'm personally been using for the last few months Brave, which uses Chrome extensions, but also uses less RAM than um, Chrome. So either Firefox or Brave, but do not use Chrome if you want things to go smoother for you. Okay, so now before you download a movie, I always tell the people I help what I'm about to tell you here, and people always seem to forget. And yet it's the first thing I'd say. So I'm really confused how that happens when it's the first thing I say to do, yet it's the last thing people do. So hopefully you do it correctly. If you've been using PLEX, you know that PLEX needs to read the movie correctly. If you want misspelling, it can put a weird poster or something that has nothing to do with the movie you want. So you need to copy the name of the movie and the year, because many movies have the same titles, and if you don't put the correct year, then Plex can randomly pick any of them. Okay, so the first thing is copy the name of the movie, of course with the year. Now I won't guarantee the way it's awkwardly put here, the year. I can't say that it's going to copy the year. Hopefully it'll copy the name. So let's see how that works. So right click, copy, and now depending on the page you're in, you may have to click play before you see this. You see this is IDM, download this video. See the green arrow there next to it? It's the green arrow that belongs to IDM. This here will pop up either on your right hand top corner or your bottom left corner. So always look on either side, but 99% of the time it will be in your right top corner. So once again, once we copy the name of the movie first, then we click into the bubble, and the whole point of copying the name of the movie is to paste it. So don't just start downloading. Click the little square, paste, there you go, and the year was what? 1941 and 1941. Choose the folder you want the movie to go into, save it, and download it. Now, this is a very short, it's just a small little animation, so I did it instantly. Now, once you click download, it's going to start downloading the background. So it would go quite fast. The thing is, it don't matter how big the file is, it would chop it up into many pieces. So it would download faster for you, and even if you have a slow internet, that will definitely help you in downloading large files quicker. And you don't have to stay in the page. You can close the page, go to another one, download, close the page, go to another one, download, and you can do countless. I mean, I have done sometimes up to 30 at one time, and works perfectly every time. And so that's it on how you use your IDM. I mean, I can open it.
What are you going to have for dinner? I'm going to have cake. Yeah.
that's why I pick. As you can see, it's from 1941. Um, it's This is just to show you how to use IDM. So there you go, guys. It's really easy to use. If there's something you feel I didn't explain, which that's all there is to it. I tell you, it's very easy to use. No settings. The whole point is you make sure you copy the name of the movie first. Make sure you put the correct year, and you should be okay. You get 30 days to use it, and I would recommend Firefox or Brave, not Chrome. I will have the links to everything here. Hopefully that helps you out. Okay, enjoy your day.